I'm gonna show you how to make an absolutely delicious tartar sauce recipe my way. We're going in with some mayo. Hey, we're gonna hit it with about a cup's worth. Got a little bit of sugar. Now we're gonna go in with a tablespoon of dill. I like to use diced jalapeños. Hey, that gives me a little bit of kick. And it also gives me like the little sour notes that, you know, like dill pickles would give. But you can go with dill pickles if you like. I go with the diced jalapeños, and then I go in with a little bit of sweet relish. So about 2 tablespoons of jalapeños and then a tablespoon of sweet relish. And then I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of pepper. Couple pinches of pepper, and then we're in the game, fam. We just get this mixed in. If you want to add some salt, hey, do so. I just like to watch my salt intake. And plus, we're gonna be making some absolutely delicious fish too. And that fish fry batter that we're gonna make is gonna have enough sodium in it. Now, other thing that we need to put in this is a touch of lemon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off, you know, just a tad bit of lemon so we can get like fresh lemon squeeze. We'll be in the game. So we'll use the rest of that lemon for garnishment and all that good stuff. But like I said, not too much lemon, just a little squeeze like that. And then fam, hey, you got you some absolutely delicious tartar sauce. So we'll place this in the refrigerator and we'll let this sit and marinate while we make some absolutely delicious fish. Yes, sir. Hey, I got that tartar sauce and a nice golden brown filet right there. Get a little scoop like that. Yes, sir. Hey, fam, cheers. Now that's absolutely delicious, fam. And that tartar sauce, yes, sir. I'm telling you, with those jalapeños, you in the game. We on to something. Yes, sir.